my lovely kids, it's your favorite teacher, Aunty Yayra, and I welcome you to this edition of my e-learning program, #Learn with Aunty Yayra. I hope you enjoyed my previous lesson. I am glad you did. Today we are coming to learn natural science, and our topic is diversity of matter, which simply means living and non-living things. Without wasting more time, kids, let's quickly grab our learning materials and get to class. What are living things? What are living things? Living things are things that have life in them. Living things are things that have life in them, or living things are things that are alive. Living things are things that are alive. Let's quickly take a look around us. You could see so many things. Some are living things and others are non-living things. Now, living thing is telling us that it's things that have life in them. What are some of the things you see that have life in them? Let's quickly look at some examples of living things. Some examples of living things. We have human beings, birds, animals. We also have insects. We have plants. Let's look at some examples. Now in the picture below, we can see human being in the middle, and then we can see mushrooms, plants, fish. We can see snail, bird, and then a very big animal. Very big animal. Human beings are classified into males and females. Males and females. The males we have man and a boy, and then the females we have woman and a girl. Woman and a girl. Let's quickly look at some examples of animals and also category of animals that we have. Then we look at plants. We have different kinds of birds. Different kinds of birds, as you can see in the picture below. Yes, we have insects. We have insects. We have insects. You know some insects like mosquito, dragonfly, grasshopper, and then mosquitoes. They are all what? Insects. Let's take a look at another example. These are also insects. Now we have farm animals here. We have farm animals. For this one, you can see everything very clearly. You can see the writings. You can see cow, chicken, goat, horse, donkey, pig, cat, rabbit, sheep, and many more. Then here we have wild animals. I can see elephants, lion, tiger, jackal. Well, I can also see tiger, leopard, zebra, and many more. We have domestic animals. We have domestic animals like turkey, hen, cow, rabbit, cat, duckling, duck, chick, ox, goat, dog, and many more. Now let's look at some examples of plants. Some examples of plants. We can see some plants with flowers, others with fruits. They look very beautiful. Another category of plants. Another category of plants. This one we have trees here. We have trees. We have mango trees. I can see plantain, banana, apple, and many more. And many more. Here is another category of plants. Another category of plants. Now, let's look at the characteristics of living things. The characteristics of living things. Back to our subtopic, characteristics of living things. Characteristics of living things means what makes living things living organism. What makes living things living organism? Let's quickly look at some examples numbered 1 to 7. And the first one says, living things can breathe. Living things can breathe. Living things can what? Eat. Living things can eat or feed. Living things can grow by age and size. By age and size. Living things can feel touch. Living things have sense of what? Touch. Number 5. Living things as human beings and animals move their bodies on their own. And living things as plants move only by the direction of wind and sunlight. Do you really understand that part? Human beings move on their own without holding anything. That means human beings and animals do free movements. Free movements. They move around freely without anything holding them or without them holding anything. But plants can only move by the direction of wind. When the wind is from the south, it blows to the north. That is how it goes like. And also the direction of sunlight. Number 6. Living things can reproduce, into brackets, give birth to their young ones. All living things give birth. Human beings give birth, plants also reproduce, and animals reproduce their young ones. No human being will give birth to an animal. No animal will give birth to plants. They all give birth to their kind. The last one we have, that is number 7. Living things can die. Living things can die. Plants die, animals die, and human beings also what? Die. I hope you understand. Now this brings us to our next topic, non-living things. What are non-living things? What are non-living things? Non-living things are things that do not have life in them. Non-living things are things that do not have life in them. Or non-living things are things that are not alive. If living things have life in them, then what are some examples of non-living things? What are some examples of non-living things? Non-living things are things that do not have life in them. Non-living things cannot eat. Non-living things cannot grow. Non-living things cannot breathe. So give me 2 examples of non-living things now. That is very correct. Now let me give you some examples of non-living things. For non-living things, we have water, soil, air, minerals such as gold, diamond, manganese, and so many more. Light, they are all non-living things. Some other non-living things such as stones, rabbits, they are all non-living things. They don't have life in them. Some examples of non-living things. We can see umbrella, we can see sun, we can see hats, we can see teddy bear, car, books, ball, chair. You also mentioned 2 examples. Television is also non-living thing. Radio set is also non-living thing. Our tables, bowls, gas, they are all non-living things. They are all non-living things. Another examples of non-living things: teddy, ball, doll, chair, cloud, skateboard, and many more. Thank you very much for watching this program. I hope you enjoyed it. Please
Kindly watch,
see you
share, and
next
subscribe
time.
to my YouTube
Bye
channel.
bye.
Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.